So using the assignment from last week, we have some trees, a table, and a house. We're going to show how this works in planning the landscape, design the landscape. As I move my tree, if I touch the other tree, my 2 point goes all wonky. Anyway, so I've got copies. I can work this out in 3 dimensions and see just how I want things to look. I could change my view a little bit and move around if I wanted to. For the time being, we'll just stay in this view and using move from point to point. I'm using it to move a small group, which I'll move again. I'm doing kind of a mass planting here. And I'm doing it outside of the actual items. But that's in 3D. So if we go to the 2D aspects, I can do exactly the same thing. I pick my 2D component part, and I'm just doing it one at a time here to kind of fill in a few gaps. Move that over a bit. I'm going to add a tree over by the house. And shuffle it in there a little bit. And take this one. I'll put a little row of trees. So there used to be a old driveway. And there we have a 2D plan. So I can work in 2D or I can work in 3D. That's the integrated design work that we're talking about. So as we look around, we can see different viewpoints. If I look at my different scenes, there's my table scene from last week, there's my tree scene from this week, and my house scene, trees from last week, house from last week, and all from last week, and there we have it.